Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna name this channel Leaks Are Us because I mean it seems like we're always getting leaks on these freaking trucks. You fix one and then you got another one, you know. So anyways, all right, so the issue is, let me take this off here and show you. Okay, so you got this line here and a line there, right? They're 1/4 inch line. They go up through this tubing all the way down. And then they kind of go, kind of loop around here, go through here underneath, and come out there. And I'll have to get a light under here so you can see better, but they basically just go up under the truck. I'm gonna tie a string onto these, so that way I can pull it back through with this string, because I have a feeling it's going to be a pain to get this line back through that piece of tube steel. So, all right, let's get started. We got Sniper here because he's going to give me a hand, because I don't have anybody here right now, right? So you're going to give me a hand to pull these out. All right. So, first thing... These are metric, which is weird, so I'm going to use... Alright, now I want to make sure I tie this cable on, so we know we get the new ones back in. That should be alright. Sniper, I thought you were going to give me a hand here. Well, you know what I'm thinking? I think it's easy. I really wanted to mark and... Oh, there they go. Never mind. These... Gotta feed these through. Yeah, you know, this isn't too easy getting it out. It's not going to be easy getting it back in. That's for darn sure. Darn sure right there. It's not going to be easy. I'm going to show you see where this goes through, because the last thing I want to do is put it in the wrong spot and have it picked right away. You can tell I love those absorber rags, right? Alright. Well, and you know, these absorber rags, they're expensive, but if you get a leak, you know, you shove these things in there and they absorb all the oil, and at least you're not leaking on the ground and get home. I want to make sure I get these lines back on right. So I'm looking here, and everything's so oily, nasty. Okay, so there's a short line. Short line comes around, goes up through this. Alright, that's off of there, that'll help. Alright, so I kind of traced these lines. It was kind of a pain because they're all tangled up within the fabric that's on them, but I found out that the left fitting goes to the long side. So left side goes to long. So Basically, you got your fitting here. This comes off like this. And that would go to the left side under truck in a simple picture here. And then that's the long side. The short side, which go here, will go like this, and that will go to this side under the truck where it bolts up underneath. So this is a little, it's just a little thing to go that I can go off of if I don't remember. But long side left, right? LL. So. I can reach up in there. I'm gonna thread that by hand. Is that loose? That's a 21-foot line. I gotta get 2 of them made. Ouch. Probably looking at $400. All right, so I got the new line. So we just want to tape it up so no dirt gets in it. Because that would suck. These things are over $200. Alright, we got something going on. It seems like going halfway decent. Look at that, broke the goddamn. Okay, my lines are right there, about to come out. I actually bypassed the hole. This is gonna be the tricky part. Getting this down now by myself. Almost. Do a little trick here. Maybe if I push now. They're wanting to come out. It's just fighting me a little bit here. Just trying to turn it in the right position. See, it's starting to come out. Because these tubes run all the way up through. So, I think I got it. Bear with me. Got it. Alright. Not done yet. I'll take a piece of tape. So this is going to be my long one. Okay? And, which is this. Over here. Okay? Threads on there like so.
The really good thing about pulling stuff out of this truck is it's just dirty. It's not covered in dog hair.
What's that? Alright, so I'm having an issue here. You can see down in here, see how this hose is wrapped around? So I pushed this hose through. And I'm just worried like it's gonna hit on this metal here. So I'm gonna pull this hose back out, and I actually got a piece of garden hose, which I think if we take a piece of garden hose, right, and then put it through and then wrap the garden hose around, it should protect it and not wear a hole in it. Isn't that easy to do here? looks like cake. But yeah, I gotta have that straight. So it's like I say, last thing you ever want to do is cross through this, because it's not easy to get to, and then that becomes a nightmare. I think I got it started here, so let's say it's 3/4. That line was that big. See that? The new ones are American size. Old ones are metric. They've been replaced before. I mean, you know, this stuff, forget about it. It's always breaking, you know. I just noticed, I think I have a leak on the back. So that would be another one, you know, it's like, you know. The problem is you gotta wait for a day, you're not like super busy. You know. You don't have to go crazy on these, like you don't wanna, you know, go and bust something. Why is that not? Same thing on the face, make it look neat, you know? I like it. It's the bigger ones, right? Just take these, kind of put it all together here. Alright guys, well, so what I did, I started the truck up, I aired it up, put wheel chucks underneath, make sure you're safe, please. And I released the brakes. So right now the brakes are released. And I just got to find my wrench now. And what do I do with my wrench? Alright, so in this case, this is a 7/16, and brakes are released. And basically you're gonna, it's either the way out of adjustment. So what you're gonna do is, that's all the way tight now, okay? You take this, you're gonna do a 1/4 turn off. So sometimes it's a little tricky here but you wanna try to get them pretty exact. So you're gonna do 1/4 turn off. I don't like that, but here. Freaking now I gotta grease. Ready, 1/4 turn. That's it. Okay? And you're gonna do that all the way around, 1/4 turn off. You know, tighten them all the way up and then 1/4 turn. And you'll be good with your adjustment. I could tell they start getting off. I mean, these are supposed to be self-adjusters, but they're always freaking up. So, you know, you use the truck so much. And you could tell, you know, when you're pulling a heavy dumpster on and the truck starts rolling back, you know, you got to adjust your brakes when emergency brakes engaged. All right, let's go ahead and test this tarp. My hands are all greasy, but whatever. Let's see how it works. Let's take a look at this. These lines look all right so far. We got enough slack there. All right, let's keep going. that'd be tarp right there, okay? So let's see how they work made out. They tight in there? Are they getting squished? What's going on? I mean, they're definitely tight, but I would say they're not getting squished. Let's bring it back up. I want to make sure those lines are going to go back. I don't really like that. Oh, I guess they just fall down in there. And back like that. No leaks. No leaks there. Let's see how this looks. All right, I mean, that don't look bad. I mean, I don't see it's not pinched or nothing. This is still loose in there. And underneath, no leaks under there. Nope. All right, this was leaking really bad. I mean, look, that's from before. So, nice neat job. Put this here so it didn't, you know, won't wear out. No leaks. I gotta add fluid to this. Yeah, definitely add fluid because there's my tube and there's no, you can't even see the fluid. So, all right, guys, that will wrap this video up. I can get back to work, make money. Everything's good, no leaks. Brakes are adjusted, so I'm safe. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.